Hi Declan, thanks for meeting us here this morning in Ballyshannon. Could you tell us a little about yourself and CPS?
Yeah, no problem, Jake. You're welcome here. We started in 2005. There's a team of 8 of us here in the garage, just a couple of us in the office. So we take care of plant repairs. That was our main core business. A couple of years ago, we started off selling attachments. So things have been going very, very well, and there's great demand on this over here in Ireland for them. So it's been very good.
Declan, could you give us an insight into the geographical area that you cover?
Yeah, no problem. We have 3 vans on the road here, all fitted as full mobile workshops. So we cover most of the country, to be honest. We be north, south, east, and west. We be all over the place, to be honest. So we've a couple of really good lads. We can nearly send them to anything, no matter anywhere in the country. So very lucky to have these lads.
And is that the full customer package, Declan, across Ireland?
Yeah. We look after everything, right from a sales quote to an order to delivery to installation. We look after everything right from the start to the finish. So like, I'll be honest, we're very, very meticulous the way we fit things and install. I install everything as if I'm fitting it for my own machine. So we just stay at it till it's right. Everything is, once everybody's happy, then we do a customer handover, explain everything to the customer, how all the features of the Rototilt works, and hand it over then. So we're on hand then for any issues or any backup they need further going forward. So
Declan, you're an established Rototilt dealer now. Can you tell us how it started?
yeah, well, we've been selling tilt rotators here in Ireland for quite a while, and we took on the Rototilt brand just last year. Now we've found the backup and support we've got from Rototilt from UK and from yourself, Jake, on the technical side has been second to none. We find the quality of the products very, very good, and availability is been pretty good too now with new lead times and everything. So yeah, we're very, very happy with the Rototilt product and how we've been looked after from Rototilt UK.
In your opinion, why should excavator owners choose Rototilt?
Well, just to elaborate from your last question, Jake, the backup we've got from Rototilt UK has been brilliant. Between technical help and parts have been very, very good. Any parts I need or anything is always on the shelf, so that's been very, very good. But from an operator side, any of the people we have sold tilt rotators, Rototilt tilt rotators to, they've always come back looking for information on a second or maybe a third one. Your machine has to do less. You can do more in the machine in one position without moving. You save on fuel. It's safer for the men and the operator, the groundsmen working around you. Saves on labour, as in guys lifting stuff or doing anything. It's been, anybody that has a tilt rotator definitely will never have a machine again without one. So it's for us, it's definitely something you get repeat custom again and again out of. So it's been very good.